Popular StrataScratch medium question, users by average session time. That was a meta interview question that we have to calculate the user's average session time by day based upon the page load and page exit. In order to solve this problem, we're going to need the user ID, we're going to need the day timestamp, and we're going to need to use the if statement. So if the action is equal to page load, then we're going to need the timestamp, otherwise null. And this is going to be as page load, except we're going to need the maximum because we need to get the latest one. So let's run this to make sure there's no errors, and there's not. And then now we're going to need the minimum for this one because it's the earliest page. So this is going to be the minimum, and we're going to have this be page exit, and we're going to have this to be page exit. And let's make sure there's no errors, except now we need to do a group by this. We need the average, user ID, and day. And there we go. And let's save this as a temp table. And then finally, we're going to select the user ID. And we need to do the timestamp difference with second as the parameter. And we're going to need to do the page exit minus the page load. This is going to do it automatically from the table. Except, and this should be other way around actually. So page load, see how it's negative, it should be positive. And then this is going to be as session time, except we need to get the average. So we're going to group by user ID, and we need to get the average here. And this should run, but there's going to be one last thing we need to do, which is see how this shouldn't be here. They don't like this. So when you use a group by, you have to use the having clause. So having session time is not null, and this should now officially pass. And here we go, we passed the solution. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the section and I will respond. Thanks, bye.